The other night just about broke my heart.
Reflecting back on that night,
It was just horrible.
it was still hard to come to terms with what unfolded on this road, just outside of Grantsville city limits.
I wish we could go back and reverse everything, but we just can't.
Neil Critchlow got the call as a volunteer firefighter.
It was a small dirt bike. The motorcycle hit him in the passenger door.
The crash left the dirt bike's 12-year-old rider dead.
I knew this little boy. My son went to school with his mother. It was just a tragic experience.
Critchlow is also the mayor of Grantsville, and he says leaders already had concerns about issues with off-road vehicles within city limits.
Some kids riding motorcycles on the streets without helmets, popping wheelies and showing off and doing those things.
He says the city does have rules about off-highway vehicles. Drivers have to be certified and obey the rules of the road. The vehicles are only supposed to be allowed in areas that access the foothills, like on Durfee Street.
You can't ride on this road. It's a state highway. This isn't one of those access points.
The mayor now wants police to step up enforcement efforts while working to educate residents about the potential hazards,
We don't want to make a bad situation worse.
knowing nobody wants to see a crash like this one again.
Please, everybody just be safe. That's what we're looking for.